AI is changing every aspect of digital marketing. So, is it actually a good time to start your career in digital marketing? A lot of questions is there. So, let me solve each question step by step. Hi, I am Avisha, your digital journey companion, co-founder of Thinkmuse, and I have a great announcement for you guys that we are starting the digital marketing course free of cost on YouTube. A complete series will be there that you can actually learn step by step digital marketing. बहुत सारे लोगों को डिजिटल मार्केटिंग सीखनी तो है बट स्ट्रक्चर नहीं पता होता है. बहुत सारी कंफ्यूजन है एआई के साथ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग सीखना. इज इट राइट टाइम और नॉट और वी आर लेट. अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस विल बी आंसर्ड इन दिस complete series. So stay connected with the complete series. So without any delay, let's begin the series. So basically, after having around 6+ years of experience in digital marketing, I basically work with a lot of customers, working with more than 200+ clients, with government projects, working on brands, working with a lot of people. Now, finally, I got to understand that there is a problem. Hi, my name is Avisha Namdev. You know very well that I am the co-founder of Thinkmuse, running a digital marketing agency. Now, being into this journey for more than 6 years, I have understood that कि एक ह्यूमन माइंडसेट, एक नॉर्मल ह्यूमन जिनको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग सीखनी है एंड एक इंडस्ट्री में, इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है. एक्चुअली डिमांड बहुत अलग चीज़ों की है एंड जो आप सीखने चाहते हो वो बहुत डिफरेंट है. सो इट्स नाउ राइट टाइम टू एक्चुअली गिव अ ओवरऑल व्यू ऑफ इंडस्ट्री and how you can change your perspective towards digital marketing. So I have started this series just for the reason कि आपको clarity मिले कि इंडस्ट्री को क्या डिमांड है और आपको क्या सीखने की ज़रूरत है. So in this series, I'll be telling you how you can actually get jobs on different segments. Even I'll be helping you out with some of the top mentors that how you can actually start creating or start getting into a specific industry. How you can niche down if you want to start as a freelancer or you want to start an agency. You can actually learn step by step. So this is the reason that I wanted to start this series. As of now, I have experienced a lot of things. We have given a lot of AI into a lot of businesses, and इस business के अंदर बहुत सारी चीज़ें ये समझ में आई हैं कि AI के integrations are important. बहुत सारे लोगों को AI पता तो है लेकिन उसका usage अभी भी 100% नहीं है. Still people are using just 1% of AI and automation in their business. Because we keep on talking about a lot of technical things, a lot of automations and everything, but लोगों को अभी तक ये confusion है कि उसे अपने business के अंदर integrate कैसे करना है. And this is the right time that you can actually build an agency around it. You can start working on these things, and you just need to build system complete AI automation system and give it to your clients. You can start working into different niches, and आप यहीं से अपना पूरा business run कर सकते हैं. So yes, AI के साथ बहुत सारा अलग अलग experience हर किसी के साथ होता है. So we'll be discussing all those experience in this series. So let me share you the complete overview of this series, that what all things we are going to discuss in this series. So basically starting from ChatGPT, we know very well that ChatGPT is the most trending and easiest tool that everyone is using right now. So content creation से लेके एक्चुअली आपके असिस्टेंट बनाने तक की जो जर्नी होगी आपके ChatGPT को, वो सारी जर्नी हम कवर करेंगे. डिजाइनिंग योर क्रिएटिव्स, डिजाइनिंग योर कॉन्टेंट्स, डिजाइनिंग योर एड्स, एवरीथिंग कैन बी डन विद दिस थिंग्स. So we will be working on towards that also. After that, we'll be working on your ad campaigns, how you can actually optimize, how AI is actually revolutionizing the complete AI ads industry, how actually your AI is going to create your ads replacing you. So make sure that आप उस replacements के पहले ही आप चीज़ों को अच्छे से सीख जाएं so that you will not be get replaced. People keep on saying after coming of ChatGPT, SEO is dead, how keywords will work, everything is like a lot of confusion is going on all over the world. So we'll be discussing all those things. There will be complete step-by-step SEO course will be there. SEO series will be covering all the important topics, how to research keywords, how to actually optimize the things, how you can create your website, complete designing of websites will be there, how you can actually optimize them, how e-commerce work, how you can do e-commerce selling, and everything we are going to work on this. Now the next important thing is AI and chatbots. Yes, you can actually you a lot of times you keep on getting notifications on WhatsApp. You contact with a lot of AI chatbots. A lot of human has been replaced with chatbots. So we will be discussing the overall scenarios also, that how you can actually go and engage with those things, and actually you can learn next level AI chatbot making system. Analytics and data driven marketing. So we'll be working on data analytics and how AI and data can be combined, and you can give the best output to every industry you want to serve. So data is going to be the next game changer. So a lot of data will be working towards it. Number of data you have, the more number of results you can acquire actually. So you will be working on that. So this series is not just for the sake of understanding basics of digital marketing, but the advanced levels of digital marketing also we are going to cover. And a lot of people keep on saying that digital marketing is meant for only for marketers. It's not for normal people. नाउ इट्स अ हाई टाइम जब जनरलाइजेशन ऑफ स्किल इज इंपॉर्टेंट. इट इज़ नॉट दैट कि आप एक स्पेसिफिक सेगमेंट पे ही काम कर रहे हैं एंड पीपल विल हायर यू. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. आपको जनरलाइज होना पड़ेगा विथ AI सो दैट पीपल विल एक्चुअली हायर यू फॉर दैट रीजन दैट यू आर actually expert in a lot of things. So generalization is important and this course will be for, ये कोर्स एक्चुअली रहेगा आपके, इफ़ यू आर अ फ्रीलांसर, इफ़ यू आर एजेंसी ओनर, इफ़ यू आर स्टार्टिंग विद डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग स्क्रैच से सीखना है तो ये स्टेप बाय स्टेप सीरीज रहेगी कंप्लीटली. सो डोंट गेट पैनिक्ड. आपको टेक्निकल नॉन टेक्निकल कोई भी बैकग्राउंड से आप बिलोंग करते हैं, यू कैन स्टार्ट योर करियर इन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. Completely step by step process will be there. So there are a lot of job options in digital marketing right now, and yes, there are high paying jobs that will actually help you to convert. So there are like कंटेंट राइटिंग से लेके AI ऑटोमेशन डिज़ाइनिंग तक बहुत सारे कोर्स है. प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियर्स आर देयर, देयर आर मार्केटर्स, देयर आर एड स्पेशलिस्ट, देयर आर डेटा एनालिस्ट. Everything is going to work parallelly in this industry. So we are going to discuss all the job options that are available on in field of digital marketing with AI. After coming in this series, what you are going to get? You will be getting a complete knowledge about digital marketing with AI. You will be getting the exposure that what all the job options are available in digital marketing. You are getting the different aspects of digital marketing which is actually using AI and how you can integrate. You will be learning the complete automation process for different businesses that actually works. You will be getting a practical implementation of things, how to get clients, how to actually get placed. You will be actually getting interacted with a lot of mentors also who will be experts in their industry, and they will be guiding you that what actually industry demands and जो आप सीख रहे हैं and उस industry की requirements में कितना difference आता है, वो सारी चीज़ों पे भी हम बात करेंगे. So there will be a complete amazing session and you will be getting hell lot of knowledge of it. So stay tuned till the complete series and you will be getting the complete information about digital marketing with AI. So don't forget to subscribe this channel so that you will not be missing any notifications and you will be getting each video and understanding of every aspects of digital marketing. So make sure that you are up to it. Don't forget to subscribe and जिस किसी को भी digital marketing सीखने की ज़रूरत है, just let me know in the comment and share this video to that person also and let me know in the comment that कौन सी topic आपको सबसे ज़्यादा excite कर रहा है and what are topics you want, so that I will actually focus on those topics particularly. Make sure that you comment it out and we will be actually completing this series as soon as possible. So make sure that you stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So see you in the next video. Until then, be ready for the complete digital marketing series.